Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we open our Facebook apps. Then we go to our page section. We click here, our page section. Then we select a page. Then we see a cover photo of this page and profile picture in this page. Then we see here the page name, and here is the CTA button, voice is message, and here is the following option in this page, and search button in this here, and here is a template of this page. Then we go to switch now to manage our page. Click switch now. Then we see here, here is the intro of our page. In details of this page, we go to our manage. Here is the, we can see here is the edit option, where we click here, and then see here is the edit profile picture, cover photo, bio, customize our page intro. all is all is edit from here in this option. Then we go to our manage tool. Here is the advertise option, where we can give advertise in this page, and there is we get from message, call option in this CTA button add from our advertise. Then we go to our manage section, where is we see manage tool. Then you see overview of this page, how much people reach our post, and how much people engaged our page or post, and how much people like our page, and how many posts we can posting here in this page. All over we can see by overview. Home option we can see before home option. Then our page, here is a page information like this. Now this page overview, voice we see from overview option, same as like your page. And we can go our post option. Post option means here how many posts we posting our page. And then we go our audience option. We can see from here our audience, how many audience in this page. And we know from here about our audience from this option. Moderation assist is the option where the people add our page or join our page, but before join show a question. From this option we can set from here. Then we go event option means we can set event, tour event, um, tour event, uh, reading event, marriage ceremony event, like other event setup from here in this option. Then we go like this. Here we can set up here our event, and people added here our event section from this event. Then we go back from here. Then we see page access is the very important in this phase, where how many people access in this page, and how many people added to access in page, and how many people work in this page we can see from here, and access given from here. Linked account, here we can link another account from this option, like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, etc. Message setting is a question answer option. Here the automated message setting in this option, and there is any question from other end, we can automated answer from here, we can set up from this option. Business app, here is the um, more apps for business we need for our businesses option. Ad center, we can give an ad from this option, then invite friends to follow. Here is the we can invite our friend to follow our page from this option. Paid online events, here is setup, we can set up from here paid online event setup, but it is not free, it is paid option from here. Meta business suite, it is important to us for all meta businessing system, like business manager, ads manager, audience insight, like etc. Then uh, then new page guide and business help center. Thank you so much.